Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix there was an issue with your payment method. Please update your payment information. So if you open your payment methods in your Apple ID and you see this kind of error that your payment method is inaccurate or you have to provide correct payment method, so how you can fix that? So you can simply update your payment method because you do not have provided correct payment method, or whether or your payment method is incorrect. So you have to simply check your payment method again and you have to go for the subscription. So if you find this kind of error, so how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, what you have to do, you have to simply check whether you are connected to Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do, you have to click on airplane mode for some seconds, and after that you have to turn it off again so that your Wi-Fi or internet connection can be restarted. And the next thing you have to do, you have to simply go to settings, and after that what you have to do, you have to go to general, and here you have to click on transfer or reset iPhone. And here what you have to do, you have to simply click on reset all of your network setting. And after resetting all of your network setting, you have to simply go back and you have to again click on your name or Apple ID. And here what you have to do, you have to click on media purchases, you have to click on view account, and after that you have to wait for some seconds so that new kind of interface will be available. So here what you have to do, you have to go to manage payments, and after that you have to simply check your payment method whether you have provided correct payment method. And if there is shown an error to your payment method, then you have to simply change your payment method and provide a new payment method that can work for you. So the problem of the error is the only solution. The solution of the error is that you have to simply update your payment method and provide a correct and valid payment method, and after that this error will be gone. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.